In this video, we will be discussing the subject of salt and examining the misconceptions and facts surrounding its consumption. The idea that salt consumption leads to high blood pressure is a common belief. However, research studies on the relationship between high salt intake and high blood pressure have been inconclusive. Many studies only question participants about their salt intake, overlooking the fact that those who consume the most sodium also tend to consume large amounts of junk food, fast food, hamburgers, carbohydrates, and omega-3 fats, which are proven factors contributing to high blood pressure. But what is salt and how does the body make use of it? Salt, also known as sodium chloride, is a mineral that is critical for the regulation of fluid balance in the body. Sodium is the dominant mineral in extracellular fluid, which is the fluid outside of cells. It plays an important role in maintaining the balance of fluids in the body, and it is necessary for the proper functioning of nerve and muscle cells. Sodium enables the transmission of nerve impulses around the body. It is an electrolyte that regulates the electrical charges moving in and out of the cells in the body. In fact, sodium is an essential mineral for the body and it cannot properly function without it. So, what does happen to the body when we consume extra salt? The body's ability to regulate excess sodium is truly remarkable. The human body regulates sodium through a process called pressure diuresis. The kidneys filter fluid in the bloodstream, and when there is a lot of salt in the blood, the volume of fluid increases. This increase in volume exerts a higher pressure on blood vessels and causes the heart to work harder, which in an unhealthy body can lead to a higher blood pressure. But a healthy body counteracts this by increasing or decreasing the amount of water or salt to return to normal blood pressure. This is the dominant mechanism in the body for regulating blood pressure. Salt intake has very little effect on the blood pressure and fluid volume in the body. With the body's ability to regulate and eliminate excess sodium, is it safe for everyone to consume additional salt? The salt itself is not the main issue. However, if the kidney filtration rate has gone down for some reason, salt can moderately increase the blood pressure. The factors that affect the filtration rate are dominantly stress and insulin. It may be beneficial to monitor your salt intake if you experience high levels of stress or consume large amounts of carbohydrates. That said, the root cause is not salt, and if you want to get your health back, you should target the root causes, which are reducing carbs and sugar intake, and reduce the stress. However, if you are on a low-carb diet or you have reduced the insulin resistance, you're pretty much free to take as much as salt you want. Not only that, if you have started a low-carb diet, your body is likely losing some minerals, and salt intake can help get back the minerals that the body needs. It is recommended to consume sea salt or pink salt instead of table salt as much as possible because they contain other minerals in addition to sodium chloride. Sea salt and pink salt contain about 97.5% sodium chloride, while table salt is almost 100% sodium chloride. The other 2.5% of minerals in sea salt and pink salt are important for the body as it contains about 80 different trace minerals that you can rarely find anywhere else. Table salt yet contains iodine, and it has been beneficial in reducing thyroid disease, especially in areas where the soil is deficient in iodine. In general, consuming additional salt is much less harmful compared to consuming high amounts of sugar and carbohydrates. Thank you for watching this video and wish you a healthy life.